Hey, what's up, fellow Nashville real estate hustlers? It's your girl, Angela Adams with the Adams Girls team in America Realty. And first off, I want to say happy fall, y'all. 90-degree weather, wearing flannel and turning down the air conditioning really low so it feels like fall. Also want to let you know we've got an open house all weekend on our listing 136A Woodmont Blvd. If you have a client that's looking in the Green Hills area and wants a low maintenance yard type of home under 550, guys, you have to check out this house. It's incredible. It's one block to West End. It has been taken completely down to the studs. The builder is Ashley Quinn with Cygnus Construction. I'm not sure if you guys have ever worked with him. Highly recommend him. He is so talented, so fabulous. He has a structural engineering degree from Vanderbilt, so the quality of his work is just top notch. This home is a 1940s craftsman style bungalow, and we did the inside kind of like a Chip and Joanna Gaines style, and it's fabulous. It was taken completely down to the studs, so everything is entirely new. I mean, I'm talking framing, roofing, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, windows. I mean, total peace of mind. And he's also going to throw in a 1-year builder warranty. So again, if you have some folks looking in the Green Hills area, please send them our way and have them check out this home. I know they'll fall in love with it, and we would love to work with you. The home's going to be open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thursday through Friday, 4 to 6 p.m. and on Sunday from 2 to 4. So hope to see you and or your clients there. Thanks so much, and hope everybody has a very fun and safe weekend. Right, Brighton? Bye.